Yeah, very cold. I've been in those.
This guy's snorkeling. There's a guy over here snorkeling.
Yeah, trying to catch something.
I don't know. He's looking.
Man, working on a hot day over a hot stove. Wow. And you always have to have a lazy dog right under the table there. So you just have to be prepared when you go on a tour in Mexico and China too. You'll have a lot of stops, and that's just par with the course. So just don't get upset if you just it's a part of the experience to meet.
Did you show Bernie? Did you show Bernie?
Yep. What?
Bernie. Bernie. Did you see that? Yeah. Oh, you did. Yeah.
That's the way you do it.
Noel, igual es de calor. A lo mejor es de calor. Pero si lo va a meter al agua, métalo todo con la cabeza, ¿eh? No nomás lo meta mitad porque le va a dar calentura en el medio.
Órale. Toma,
Va para adentro todo.
no está
Así me decían a mí, Charma.
Hay que conseguir un experimentador
¿Ya
de
has
ese
ido a
vuelo.
Charma, Charmita?
This is lemon. Outside, inside black.
Which one's papaya?
The one up there.
Oh, across the river?
So small and yellow.
Oh, that's
They're
papaya?
Yellow already, yeah.
I didn't know they were round like that.
No.
It's one way to irrigate your plants. Yeah, I really love Mexico, how it has so many colorful plants. This one's gorgeous. It's not in bloom fully. Buenas tardes. Oh, excelente.
What do you think? It's a very nice place.
Oh, very nice. Yeah, like a jardín de grande.
De jardín grande.
Yeah. Look at these colorful flowers. Wow.
Oh, wow.
Looks like a piece of plastic. They're so
Yeah.
colorful. Look at the pink one in the middle.
It's so perfect, eh? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it said on the sign there, don't pick the flowers.
Yeah.
No, it's goes without saying.
Well,
I know. It's something.
There's some people. It's
Where does it say no cut the flowers?
His name is,
Alright, well I gotta pay attention to this because I do not want to fall in. It's very slippery. Wow, it is slippery, wow. Well, the rocks aren't as slippery as the wood. Now this is supposedly, in this, underneath the waterfall, there's supposedly like a hot spring. I'm going to turn the camera off here. That guy was just slipping and fell down. Yeah, he's brave or stupid, one of the two. That's the waterfall right here. Yeah, that's the danger. It's very, very slippery. I don't know how you're getting out of there. Definitely not dry. Just gonna jump. This kid's a daredevil. This kid's a daredevil.
yeah, and he's going to do a somersault.
He is?
I don't know.
Well, just like he did into the pool and under the waterfall. So he did.
I think it's all me.
Okay. I just was dropped off by the tourist van, and this is 200, Highway 200, the federal highway. Goes from Huatulco to Pachutla to Puerto Escondido. Look at this guy, man, he's moving. He's getting his way. And this is the road up to the Waterfalls. I can't even, what does that say? Huatulco. That's where we went, Tierra de Cascadas. And boy, I'll tell you, I almost vomited from the ride on the, it's like an hour on this dirt road. And it's bouncing around like this, and you're like, ugh. I bought some coffee for Tilo and Mila, some organic coffee, and I bought some of their organic chocolate, and I tried one piece of the chocolate, and I think that's what, it was so rich, it was too much. But it's good that it's not completely nighttime right now, and hopefully the Colectivo will come along before it's dark. Okay, you see the sign across the way, it says Bienvenidos al Parque Nacional Huatulco. That means welcome to Huatulco National Park. I walked through that to go to that Paradise Beach. Here comes a Mexican Mercedes. That's one way to do it. Okay, here comes a Colectivo. So I'm hoping the other one coming the other way will be coming by. That's on the way to Huatulco, Crucecita. And a lot of times these taxis will stop and try to get you to go with them. But I probably should have taken that last taxi, but there were like 5 people in it. And I hate putting my bags in the trunk. You see that guy carrying the kid. Well, hopefully that full moon is coming out. I just got off the bus.